So now we're looking for clips for Audi and Volkswagen VW number 7l6868243. It looks like this. Yes, it will be sold a set of 10 items. It's original. It's here we are. Something like Volkswagen AG. It's original part, not a cheap copy or something like that. Look, now you can see the size. Its size is approximately 2 centimeters long. Diameter it will be approximately 2.2 millimeters, 22 millimeters. In inches it will be approximately, looks like that, long and something like that. Look, it's these items from few angles you can see. Thank you very much for looking and enjoy your buying.